Hi guys, welcome to another exciting tutorial. In this video, we are going to start learning how to create design from scratch, and we will look into the workflow of Canva. Let's get started. I would like to create a poster and I would like to select my own size for the artwork. So I will start by clicking on custom size. The first thing you need to select is the unit. You can select pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. I will go with inches and I will create my poster with 5 into 5, maybe 5 into 7 inches, and press create new design. You will be getting a blank canvas here. The first thing you need to change is the background color. So you can select your canvas or background and you will get a toolbar at the top and you will see background color. You can click and select any color you like. I want to make a poster on Mother Earth, about saving the planet, something like that. So I will be selecting a light gray color, maybe something like this. This is important because in graphic design, contrast is important. The next important element for my poster is a heading. So I will be going towards the left side toolbar and I will press text. I can add a text box or I can directly add a heading here. So I will click on add a heading and I will be getting a heading on my canvas. And I can drag it as I like by clicking and dragging. And I am going to position it here somewhere. The red highlighted line in the middle is showing me that my heading is in the center of the page, and that's great. This is a good, helpful hint for me. And I'm going to double click and I can delete the text and I can add my own heading, Mother Earth. I can change the font here from the top toolbar and I can see different fonts here. So I will be selecting some interesting fonts here and I can change the colors here. And I want to make sure that it's aligned in the center of the page. So I can click here on more, align to page, and it's already in center. So I don't have to do anything about that. And my heading is ready. The next element I need for my poster is a simple flower or plant or something like that. Where can I get that? So I will go to the toolbar on the left side of the page and I will go to the elements, and in elements I can see I have shapes, graphics, animations. If I need a clip art I can go to the graphics, but maybe I need a real flower. So I will go to the photos here because I was searching for some flowers, so I can see some flowers here. If you cannot find something you are looking for, you can search here like cloud, flower, burger, whatever you want. but I just need this flower. So I'll be using, maybe I think I can use this one. So I will click on this. Just a single click can bring this picture on your canvas or on your page, and you can resize your element or your picture just by clicking these round dots on the corner. If you press Alt, it will center it in the middle. If you don't press Alt, then is going to not lock it in the center of the page. So I would like to press Alt while resizing this image. So I have my picture element now on the page. I can do something with it by editing and some other stuff here, some other options here, but I think that's enough for now. I need another text here. So I will go to text on the left side toolbar, and I will add a text box, or maybe I can add a subheading. Click, and I would like to add something about protect the planet. I will double click to erase and delete the text, and I will add my text here. Save the planet. While this is selected, I can change the color here on the top toolbar. I can see, and maybe I can give it some other gray color. So I can give it some other gray color, and this how I can actually create a very simple poster. I kept it very simple because I just want to show very beginners how to create a very simple poster with simple elements. Let's add a very simple drop shadow effect for the picture. So select the picture, and you can see edit at the top. I can press edit, and I will see some settings here on the left side, like filters, effects. In effects, you can see shadows, and when you click shadows, you have different type of shadows. I would like to apply this drop. It looks nice. You can see there is a drop shadow here, looking very nice. You can also change the settings of the shadows, like you can add more blur, and you can change the angle of the shadow. Instead, it's changing the angle of the object. Anyways, but you can try these settings yourself. It might be a little bit different from Photoshop, because in Photoshop I think the angle does not move the original object, it moves the shadow. Anyways, now you know how to give a shadow. We have finally created our first simple poster. If you want, you can also add drop shadow to your text, and you can add some other elements. But this is a very simple workflow how to create something from scratch. And finally, if you want to share this artwork with other people as a picture or a PDF, you can go to share. You can download this as a high quality PNG or a PDF, And if it's for printing, you can download like PDF print. And there are some other options. Just for online viewing, you can have a JPEG. JPEG is a low quality image file, which is good for online viewing only. So it's up to you how you want to download this, and then you can share it with some other people. And that's how you design a poster from scratch in Canva. No templates, just structure, contrast, hierarchy, and spacing. See you guys in the next video, where I'm going to teach you how to design with templates.